dumaan na tayo. Daming sasakyan ngayon talaga, as in. Grabe yung daanan ngayon. Full of cars, so roads are packed. This is Dubai Festival City, or this is Marrakech Road. That way is going to Dera. This way going towards saan ba yan? E311. So mag-Alkyle po tayo ngayon. So far weather is lovely. Wala tayong medyo mainit na kasi. Sobrang init na. Hindi ka, as in, grabe yung init sa labas. Maglakad ka lang siguro ng mga 5-10 or maybe like you can say 30 to 50 meters, then that's it. Pawis na pawis ka na ngayon. Ang kagandahan, wala pang humidity, kasi pag may humidity, ay naku, grabe yung pawis mo niyan, lakit, ang init, hindi mo na, grabe yung alinsangan nung panahon pag humid dito sa UAE. And the good thing, pero ang good thing dito sa UAE, you can go anywhere. Like for example, naglalakad ka, nakakita ka ng store like supermarket, then you can go inside just to cool yourself down, then that's it. So ayun, as in accessible, like as in grabe yung every after 10 to 15 meters meron kang makikitang supermarket, lalo na sa amin dun sa Maracabao. Grabe. So anyway, thank you for being with me today, and I'll show you the roads going towards Academic City where I work. So, see you guys. Medyo late pala kami ngayon kasi late kami lumabas. So I have to drop mom and Hailey. So medyo late ako ngayon. It's 7:10 already. So I have to be there at 8 o'clock, but definitely I'll be late. So yung road na dadaanan natin ngayon is Alkyle. Business Bay Crossing. Itong natin ngayon. Okay, tignan nyo naman yung daanan natin. As in, napakaganda. Walang rough road, walang kung ano-ano, lahat. O may mga signals kung saan ka pupunta. So, I mean, if you're a new driver, hindi ka mawawala. Kaso nga lang, pag na-miss mo yung turn, of course, you'll have to go far next to the next na U-turn. Kasi pag na-miss mo ang U-turn, next U-turn would be like so far, which is good kasi it won't gonna hindrance all the other motorists. Like, seriously, what happened? So hindi may store mo yung mga kasi kung like for example dami yung U-turn, parang makakatabi, so madidisturb yung other motorists. may pupuntahan ka, kailangan mong i-check kung saan ka mag-U-turn, saan ka mag-exit, kasi as in malayo yung mga gusto mong bumalik, malayo na. It will take maybe like 10 kilometers. So kung makikita nyo yung daan, as in yung mga sasakyan, I mean normal na sa amin yung nakakita kami ng mga BMW. Minsan nakakita kami ng ano, like I mean minsan, it's not very rare as you think, pero like not all the time nakakita kami ng mga sports car on the road, so like Ferrari, Lamborghini. So minsan kung ano ka naman, Bugatti, nakapark nga lang sila sa daan. So yeah, if you want a little insights of what's going on the road, then yeah, so makikita nyo lahat ng mga sasakyan, kung anong mga sasakyan meron ba dito sa UAE, like what are the usual cars that expats are buying. So Nissan Patrol na yun, look on my left, GMC in front of us, Yukon. So that is like normal cars ng mga malalaking tao dito sa UAE. I mean malaking tao means sa managerial position, mga higher management, sa mga nila, opisina nila. So like that, Audi. Sa atin sa Pilipinas, I mean bihira ka lang, lalo na sa akin at taga-probinsya pa ako eh. So I rarely see Audi sa Isabela. I don't think nakakita na ako ng Audi sa Isabela. Then yeah, Cruiser, ano lang yung mga normal na sasakyan na makikita mo sa daan. I mean I don't say na yung car is normal, it's just I'm saying you can it's common na makakita ka ng ganyang sasakyan sa ano. Oh, it's traffic, what happened? Ang kagandahan dito sa UAE is yung infrastructure nila is super planned, and they planned it perfectly na wala kang hindi magkukos ng traffic, and kung saan nila pwedeng anyway guys, how about sa inyo sa mga kung expat man kayo, how about you, wherever you are, kamusta ang traffic dyan sa inyo? Let me know sa comment below. Will control the traffic kasi siyempre mga over speeding and all that, so you don't they don't have to have a police officer to just stand by and then catch all these people, catch us basically. It's just that okay, if you can see on my like 11 o'clock, see that's a camera. 600 dirhams ang ano mo, speed limit. So yes, you have to be very careful kasi 600 dirhams is a good amount of money, of course, especially I mean, regardless, 600 is 600. So and malaking signboard kung saan ka na, 7 kilometers going to this and that. So another camera here, and after the camera another signboard, the speed limit signboard, and then they are telling you, okay, this is Al Ain, going towards Al Ain, and then 100 kilometers going to this exit and all that. So yun yung mga binibigay, binibigay nilang signboard while traveling. So I don't think na mawawala ka pag travel ka dito sa UAE. I think may mga specific na countries like I think European countries, di ko lang sure, I'll have to research on that, na kung may lisensya ka sa specific country, mostly European, and I think, I don't know if it's US, kasama ang US, but then yes, na pwede mo siyang i-convert into license here into UAE. Pwede kang mag-drive, I should say, using your license. Yun yung another camera out here. So daming camera. They are always looking at you. Ang kagandahan, like for example, kung mababalitaan nyo siguro, kung mababalitaan nyo na ano nga to, may mga crimes and all that, so they can easily track you down kasi nga ang roads are monitored, the streets are monitored, so lahat they can all access the camera, so you're being watched all the time. So lahat ng ano mo, so within like 8 hours, 6 hours, they could catch like a thief or and all that. So yun yung mga ano natin. So we're almost here, nasa Dubai Silicon Oasis. Transfer lang tayo sa kabilang road. Okay. Transfer lang tayo sa kabilang road. Ito, yung straight na yan going towards Sharjah, Northern Emirates. So, see, as you can see, napaka-efficient, effective nung infrastructure nila. Yung roads is super clean, and as in, it's easy for you to go sa ano, it's easy for you to go and mag-transfer sa kabilang road dahil sa mga infrastructure nila, as in super plan. So mag-exit lang tayo going towards this side kasi malapit na tayo, 2-3 minutes. We're here, we're almost there, 1 minute. Thank you guys for being with me. Thank you for accompanying me on my travel. I really appreciate it. I hope you enjoy our travel. It's a little hazy today. It's not that so clear. The weather is not that clear. It's a little hazy, maybe because of the wind. But yeah. So my work is going towards so that this is where I work. So meron silang may still space over there. Okay, still have space over here. Yeah, very good. Thank you guys for watching. Bye. Thank you for being with me. Love you. Love you.